What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to review this Jacked Factory Nitro Surge pre-workout. I'll be right back. All right, here we go with the Jacked Factory Nitro Surge pre-workout. And before I begin this review, I just got a little disclaimer for you. So my review of this product is not a recommendation for you to go out and use this product. It's just me sharing my personal experience. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and as healthy as you possibly can. But if you decide to use supplements, please consult with your doctor and follow their directions, and also follow all the directions on the label of the supplement you're using. All right, so now this Jacked Factory Nitro Surge pre-workout, I've been using this for quite a while right now, and I'm actually using this along with a couple of other pre-workouts that I'm going to review for you, and you'll see those coming out here over the next month or more. But basically this Jacked Factory, now I do use this by itself, and I have certain days that I use this for because of the way this works, and I'll talk about that here in a little bit. But for this particular one, what was I looking for when I found this product? I actually was looking for something new to try so I could try it and review it for you. And so where did I find this? It became highly recommended as a sponsored ad on Amazon. So I found this on Amazon. I paid $25.10 for it, which as of the recording of the video and the time that this is released, it's the same price. And I did buy it from Amazon, and it was shipped to me and got it right away. So you'll see a video of me mixing this here, and of course, as you guys probably all know, my workouts are early in the morning. So this is what I take early in the morning, and this is me mixing it up. And so the three best qualities of this that I experience about this product is that first, it gives you really good, for me, it gave me really good focus. So I felt like I was focused in the gym, and there was the intensity that went along with that. And it gave me better blood flow. So number two is better blood flow and a good pump is what I got from this. And then number three is that it seems to work pretty fast. So my routine is get up and have my morning routine, and then I make my pre-workout shake. And as I'm drinking this thing, it feels like it takes about 10 minutes for me to for it to be there, and I'm ready to go work out. All right, so it works fast. That's number three. What are three downsides of this product is that, first of all, it takes 2 scoops to really get those benefits that I was just talking about. So it takes 2 scoops for that. Now, when you look at it, the serving size here that they have on the back is they have a serving size of 1 scoop is the serving. So you see 30 scoops here, which brings me to my number 2 downside is that this sells for 30 servings, which is 30 scoops, but it takes you 2 scoops to really feel anything, at least for me. It took me 2 scoops, so that means that I'll really only get 15 servings out of this. So, that's a little weird there. And you know how I feel about that kind of thing. Number 3 is that these stats on the front, this is another downside, is these stats on the front. If you read this little fine print here, those stats really are that's if you take 2 scoops. And so I don't like that. I think you guys know, I feel like that's misleading you, because when when you're seeing this, or you're seeing this on the shelf, you see those stats and you think those stats are for the servings. You turn around the back and you're like, oh, it's 1 serving, 1 scoop. But the little small letters right there, the little small print right there tells you that these stats are for two scoops, 2 servings, right? So I don't like that. I feel like it kind of misleads you, and I just don't like it. All right, so how did this impact my workout? So I felt more focused, and I felt that steady intensity in my workout. And besides the 3 downsides, I really did look forward. I really do look forward. I still have a little bit left. I look forward to using this product here. You see how much I've used so far. So I do look forward to it. I like to use this on chest day, back day, and leg day. Then I felt like I get the most bang for my buck with this product on those days. Now, don't get me wrong, on arm day and shoulder day, I mean, this product will work for that too. But I tried to use this product in particular of the 3 that I've been trying out for review. This was the one that I go to on those 3 days because it gave me that intensity and that focus out of the three. So that's the good, the bad, and the ugly of this. How do I rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10? I rate this product a 7. And so, you know, it's good. The green apple was really good, really flavorful, but you know, it just had those, those things. It's a good product, which is why I gave it a 7, but it's just not a 10, right? So that's what I rated. How can you use this product? It is strictly, in my opinion, a pre-workout. I guess if you don't work out and you want something that causes you to have focus and intensity, this will do it, but it's made to be a pre-workout. See it right there, Nitro Surge pre-workout. And so that's how you should use it. All right, so hopefully this video helped you. If this was something you were looking at, or maybe something you hadn't heard of, but now I've reviewed it. And so hopefully this information helped you. Please go ahead and subscribe, but also follow me. If you want to follow me on social media, you can do that on Instagram at thisisb_Rob, and find my Instagram account there. Follow me. I look forward to interacting with you, building community with you. But also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B Rob.